acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said feel.
Hey, what's up? What you doing? How's life? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, today I would like to tell you guys happy new... Okay. Y'all look. It's growing. So guys, happy New Year's. Finally made it 2020. Big teens. Like big teens. I don't know why I said things like that. Anyways, congratulations guys, we finally made it. You know, I hope this year is I hope this year is prosperous. I hope you find what you've been looking for, and I hope all the goals you set out, because I know we all set out goals, that you accomplish them. Because you guys, let me show you. You see that wall? Only one thing on that wall was accomplished, but it's okay. I had goals set out since November for me to complete in December. Sadly, it didn't happen, but you know, it's okay. It will happen this year, best believe. Why is this? Come on, focus on me. Like, we don't have time to be playing games. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to tell you guys what my New Year's resolution is. I know I've been talking, I'm sorry, but basically this year my #1 priority is school. For sure, my #1 priority is school. Second, I want to gain weight. I want to gain weight. Like, that is my second priority. And my third one, ooh, okay, I lied. My YouTube is my second priority. My third one is I want to gain weight and like keep it. Me, I've been struggling with like gaining weight for like a year or two now. A year and a half. It's been like a year and a half. I've been struggling to gain weight. My ideal weight is like 135, 130. I don't really know how I look like at 140, so, but like I want to be in the 30s for sure. And right now I'm at, no, let me go look. Let me go. I'm gonna record this. So I'm gonna use this scale and so you guys can see it in real time. Whoa, okay. I'm 122.8. I'm also gonna go on Snapchat. Y'all add me on Snapchat, by the way, at SydneyBABC. Okay, I'm back. So guys, I'm actually 122 and I'm actually really surprised because usually I'm like at 117, 18, 19. Y'all, it's literally between 116 and 119 and I'd be so excited when I hit 120, and the fact that I'm at 122 is actually a really big deal for me. So basically, I'm going to be taking Apetamin, and Maca root. So basically, I'm planning on taking 2 of these a day and 1 or 2 of these. I low-key already started, but I haven't really kept track. I've been like drinking this here and there, but I'm gonna actually stay consistent for a week and I'm gonna let you guys know. And I will also, like, you know, record the symptoms, what happens throughout the week, and hopefully I stay consistent. I hope I will, like I should. And then next week today, or next week, whenever I edit it and I do it, I should be able to post it, and I'll definitely let you guys know and fill you in and post about it. So please turn your notification bell on, and also follow me on social media. All my information will be in the link down below. So without further ado, I'm gonna start right now. I gotta go fill my water bottle. Okay, so here's my water, and basically I'm just gonna start right now. I got this from Walmart. It says organic maca powder. So I thought it was a recording, my fault. I'll take 2 of these, and apparently y'all, I've had this before. This will not be my first time. It will just be my first time being consistent within a week. This does not get you horny. Like, Twitter really gassed it. Well, okay. A lot of people say it does, but this doesn't increase. This doesn't increase it. And then I'll get the Apetamin, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna do 1 cup, and I'm gonna put it at 10 milliliters. And you're actually supposed to take 2 milliliters a day, but I'm assuming the maca would, you know, count for it. I don't like the taste of this. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like boxed medicine and bubblegum. Yeah. This is definitely like drinkable. Like, you can do it without needing anything on the side. However, I just don't like the taste. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be doing this every day for 1 week, and I will need a new bottle of Apetamin because I know that will run out for a week. Yeah, that should definitely like take me out. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on this weight gain journey. Bye. Wait, before I go, comment down below what's your New Year's resolution. Comment down below what's your New Year's resolution. Okay, bye.